Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. Aston Martin has introduced the DBS Superleggera online following an extensive leak. The coupe will soon replace the Vanquish at the top of the firm's hierarchy. From a design standpoint, the carbon fiber body DBS Superleggera stands out from recent additions to the company's lineup with a more muscular design characterized by a gaping grille mounted low on the front fascia and a sculpted hood with dual vents. The beltline flows into oversized rear fenders that end where a pair of thin tail lights begin. An elegant Aston Martin script on the rear fascia adds a finishing touch to the look. All told, the DBS looks mature yet it unmistakably means business. With soft leather, accent stitching, and carbon fiber inserts, the interior looks every bit as nice as what you typically find in a high-end German sedan. That is partly because some of it actually comes from a high-end German sedan. Aston Martin borrowed the infotainment system from industrial partner Mercedes-Benz. The passengers navigate the software using a touchpad and a controller knob mounted between the seats on the center console. To make space, Aston replaced the gear selector with buttons that mounted directly below the air vents. Should James Bond get lost, the DBS Superleggera comes standard with Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and an in-car Wi-Fi connection. The long hood hides an evolution of Aston's mighty 5.2-liter V12. In this application, it's twin-turbocharged to make 715 horsepower at 6,500 revolutions per minute and 664 pound-feet of torque between 1,800 and 5,000 revolutions per minute, more than in any of the other cars it powers. It channels its prodigious output to the rear wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission mounted in the back of the car to improve weight distribution and, consequently, handling. Aston pegs the DBS 0 to 62 mph time at 3.4 seconds and its top speed at a head-spinning 211 mph. Priced at $304,995, the 2019 Aston Martin DBS Superleggera will arrive in the third quarter of 2018. When it lands, it will compete for the attention of enthusiasts who would normally buy a Lamborghini Aventador S or a Ferrari 812 Superfast. And while it will make its debut as a coupe, it's reasonable to expect the lineup will grow to include a convertible model before the end of 2019. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.